Hey everyone, welcome to Noel Tech. Today I'm showing you how to fix the App Store billing problem on your iPhone. So first, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under this menu, you'll see iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on that. Here's where the fix happens. Tap on in-app purchases and make sure it's set to allow. If it's set to don't allow, that's what's causing your billing issue. Just tap on allow and your App Store billing problem should be fixed immediately. This works for any iTunes purchase errors or in-app purchase restrictions. If you're still having issues after this, you may need to check your payment method in the App Store settings or contact Apple support. That's it. Quick and simple fix for App Store billing problems. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Noel Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.